In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete all songs from Suno AI. Start by opening your web browser and searching for Suno AI on Google. In the results, click the official link labeled Suno AI Music Generator. Once the site loads, sign into your account. If you don't have one yet, create an account and log in so you can access your music library. After you're signed in, head to your library. This is where all of your generated songs are listed. Take a moment to let the page fully load so the selection tools work smoothly. If you have a lot of tracks, you might need to scroll to see everything. Now select the songs you want to remove from your main library. To choose specific tracks, hold the Control key and click each song you want to include. If you want to select everything at once, press Ctrl+A. If you're on a Mac, use Command instead of Control. You should see a visual highlight that confirms the items are selected. If it doesn't appear, click inside the list once and try the shortcut again. With your song selected, click the three dots menu. From the options that appear, choose Move to Trash. This step removes the tracks from your library view but does not permanently delete them yet. Think of it like a safety net, giving you a chance to review before you erase anything for good. To complete the deletion, go to your trash. Click the trash icon in the upper right corner of the Suno interface to open it. Inside the trash, select the songs you want to permanently remove. Again, use Ctrl+A to select everything, or Control-click to pick only certain items. Confirm that the correct tracks are highlighted before proceeding. With the item selected in the trash, click the three dots menu again and choose Delete Permanently. Suno will prompt you to confirm. When you see the confirmation message, click Yes, I'm sure. This final action cannot be undone, so be certain you no longer need these tracks or any associated data before you proceed. That's it. To recap, go to your library, select your songs, move them to trash, then open the trash, select them again, delete permanently, and confirm. If shortcuts don't respond right away, click once inside the list area and try again, and remember that on Mac, you'll use the Command key. Follow these steps and you'll clear your Suno AI library quickly and confidently.